there's a spirit in the room, you can communicate with us through the spirit box.
Is there a spirit in the room with us? Everyone has a curiosity of the great unknown. Tonight, our library staff will put their new ghost hunting equipment to the test at a local house with a long history of death. This house, located near uptown Plain City, was once home to Sarah Hutchinson and her husband Luther. Unfortunately, Sarah died in the home in 1915. Using library resources and local history records, the owner was able to uncover Sarah's obituary, which listed the cause of death as a nervous breakdown. Her husband Luther died in the home only 11 years later in 1926. Their daughter Clara lived in the house with her husband Henry Porchett until Clara died in the home in October of 1948. Clara's daughter Ella also died there just before her mother in August of the same year. It's unconfirmed, but believed that funerals for members of the Hutchinson family were held in the front room of the house. Tonight, our staff will try to connect with these spirits. Besides the home's deadly past, there's something else that makes this house ripe for ghost hunting. The current owner of the home has had 2 experiences that they believe to be a result of ghosts. The first experience was when the door in the living room swung open on its own. This door is not near any entry points or drafty areas, and the current owner has tried to recreate the moment to no avail. The second experience happened in the master bedroom, where it is believed that Sarah, Luther, and Clara, all 3, passed on. While sitting in bed one night, the current owner felt a tap on their shoulder. Other experiences, like a picture falling in the dining room and light bulbs staying on after they've been unscrewed, have also been experienced by those who have visited the home. Join us now on a journey into the unknown as the librarians on the loose test out their new equipment and the boundaries between our earthly existence and the spirit world. Okay, so now we are going to try to use the spirit box, which scans radio frequencies rapidly to allow a spirit present to communicate with us by choosing words from those radio signals and then scan. Is there a spirit in the room with us?
That was so bizarre that the proximity, the flex 2 went off. Nothing was moving beside me when that happened.
To the right.
There's no way. It's just consistently going off.
Can you turn the sensitivity down and see if it stops picking up the wall? Or ask them to switch sides and turn on the green light.
Right at 4 feet, so maybe 2 feet on either side.
Just they switch sides.
What about Sarah? Sarah, are you here?
Oh, and the camera goes through.
Alright, let's have a disconnect.
Is there an object you're still attached to?
For sure.
What does that say?
For sure.
Should we join you upstairs? I heard be careful.
Yeah, so I heard that too.
I visited this house around last Halloween,
and I didn't see you or hear you, but were you here that night of the party? I do want to just add that I just got a cold. Is there a breeze?
Got a cold chill?
I did, no, not a chill, but like on my arm. I got like a little gust of puff of wind.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah, I felt a little something too. Yeah, on my arm.
It's coming from the window. I think it was right here.
But yeah,
Can you feel the chill? Shane?
No.
Yeah, just a little bit on my forearm.
It was just a chill.
Yeah,
It
it's like a real
wasn't
quick little
anything.
Oh. If one side is staying on and we can't figure out why, ask them to go to the other side of the thing and make the red light or the green light, depending on which other one it is.
Oh. That was amazing. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. Don't forget to check out the Plain City Public Library Ghost Hunting Kits, available at plaincitylib.org/kits for all of your ghost hunting needs.